Hi viewers, welcome back. Today's our topic is drive the door mirror motor by using two relays and one switch. So first we will see the components of this project. Here is the door mirror motor. Here are the two batteries. Each one is 12 volt and total is a 24 volt because these batteries are connected in series. And here are momentary switch, and here are two fuses. One is for power and one is for control. And here are our two relays, relay number 1 and relay number 2. These are the components which we are using in this project. Now I talk about this circuit wiring diagram. Here you can see there are two relays. So first I talk about the control circuit, how we control this circuit. So here you can see this one is our momentary switch, 3 terminal here. Middle terminal, this switch gets the power from the negative side of the battery because this circuit is controlled by negative voltages. And terminal number first is connected to the pin number 85 of the relay number 2, and terminal number 3 of this switch is connected to the pin number 85 of relay number 1. So pin number 86 and 85 are used for control the circuit. Now I talk about the power. From the fuse number 20 amperes, power goes to the pin number 87 of each relay, input power from the battery. Pin number 30 of this relay number 1, goes to the one wire of this motor, and pin number 30 of the R2 is connected to the wire number 2 of this motor. Now I talk about how this circuit works. So as soon as this switch, we push this side, this terminal connect to this terminal. So this negative power goes to this terminal number 1, and this goes to the pin number 85, and this relay energized. When this relay energized, then pin number 87 and 30 are connected. They connected each other. So this power from this power through this pin number 30 goes to this motor positive voltages, and this relay is de-energized. This time no have power. This because the 85 is no have the ground, so this relay is de-energized this time. So pin number 87A and 30 are connected. This ground through this pin number 30 goes to this motor, and this motor start moving clockwise or anti-clockwise in any direction. We push this button to this direction, so this terminal connected to this terminal, and ground from the battery goes to this side, and it reaches to pin number 85, and this relay energized. As soon as this relay energized, this pin number 85 connected to the pin number 30, and power from fuse number 20 goes to this wire, and it give the positive voltages. And it get the positive voltages. And the meanwhile this relay is this time de-energized. This 87 pin number 87 connected to pin number 30, and this ground is goes to the this wire negative, and the polarity changed. When polarity changed, motor before it was like this, now it moved like this. So in this way this motor is anti-clockwise and clockwise starting. So our mirror of the door will go up or will go down. Now we practically learn how this motor works. So let's start. You can see I have wired this mirror motor according to the drawing. Okay, first of all I'll show you this is our power source. These are the two wire coming from the battery. Okay, this wire is a positive voltage and this gives the negative voltage. Here I used two fuses. This one fuse is a 20 amperes and this second fuse is for 5 amperes. This is used for power to the motor, and this fuse is used to control the motor for the control circuit. And this one is our motor. Two relays, these are also 24 volt relays, and here I used one momentary switch. Here are two relays. Okay, these blue wires goes to the pin number 87 of each relay, and it gets the negative ground from the battery. And this wire is a red wire. Okay, this is also get the voltages from the battery, and it get power from the fuse number fuse 20 ampere fuse. This goes to the pin number 87. Okay, and this red line, it goes to the pin number 86 of both relays. These used for the control the relay control circuit, and these wires getting the power from the fuse 5 ampere fuse. And this red line, these both goes to the pin number 30 of each relay, and it goes to the motor. When we push the button this side, this point connected to this point is connected to here, and one of them relay is energized and power goes to the relay, and one relay is de-energized, therefore the negative voltages goes to the other wire. So in this way motor is running, you can say. Okay, when I put is downside, so this negative relay goes to this point, and second relay energized and first relay de-energized, and in this way, in both way, negative and positive voltages coming here, and this motor is running. So you can see when I push downside, this is a moving motor clockwise, anti-clockwise, moving the motor anti-clockwise. When I push upside, so motor is moving the clockwise. So in this way we have controlled this mirror up and mirror down. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends.